In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to use Squarespace's built-in SEO and AIO tools, and how to regenerate and refine your page title and description so your site looks great in search results. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. If you don't land on the dashboard automatically, look for and click the dashboard button to bring up your list of sites. From there, open the site you want to optimize by selecting Go to Website. That takes you into your site's back end. On the left-hand menu, choose Website to see the full set of configuration options. Next, open the SEO/AIO section. This is where Squarespace centralizes the tools you'll use to shape how your site appears in traditional search engines and in AI-assisted search experiences. If you see an introductory panel that explains that every Squarespace site includes industry-leading SEO and AIO tools, click into it to proceed. Then choose Optimize to begin working with your site's metadata. If a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to continue. Now, look for Review Metadata. This area lets you review and tune the title and description that search engines typically display. Open the preview of how your page will show up in search results. You'll see a sample search snippet showing a title line and a short description beneath it. If you want Squarespace to suggest improvements, use the Regenerate option. Go ahead and click Regenerate to have Squarespace propose updated text based on your page content. If you see separate Regenerate buttons for the title and the description, click Regenerate for each so both fields get fresh suggestions. Think of these as drafts, helpful starting points, not final copy. Next, switch to Edit so you can refine the details. Click the title field first. Aim for a clear, specific title that includes your primary keyword and, if space allows, your brand or location. Keep it concise. Search engines typically show about 50 to 60 characters before cutting off. For example, you might lead with your core offering and follow with your brand name. Avoid keyword stuffing. A natural, readable title is more likely to earn clicks. Then, move to the description field. This is your chance to summarize the page in one compelling sentence or two short sentences. Try to stay within roughly 150 to 160 characters so the full message shows on most devices. Focus on the value a visitor will get and include a gentle call to action if it fits naturally. Use words people actually search for, but keep it conversational and genuine. As you make changes, keep an eye on the live preview to see how your snippet will appear. If the text gets truncated with an ellipsis, trim a few words or tighten phrasing until the full thought fits. If the preview looks good and reads well aloud, that's usually a great sign for real users too. When you're happy with both fields, click Save in the editing panel. After that, confirm by clicking Save again if you see a second Save button at the page level. This ensures your metadata updates are stored and applied to your site. That's the full flow. Open your site from the account dashboard, head into Website, then SEO/AIO, step through the Optimize panel, review your metadata, regenerate suggestions if you want them, edit the title and description to make them accurate and compelling, and save your changes. If you ever need to revisit these settings, come back to the same SEO/AIO area and repeat the edit process. With these adjustments in place, your Squarespace 7.1 pages will have cleaner, clearer search snippets that help more of the right visitors find you and click through.